How to log into your Hotmail's account on your mobile device. How to log into your Hotmail account on your mobile device. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Hotmail account from your mobile device. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Play Store or App Store, and then in the search bar type in Outlook. Now, instead of Hotmail, we are typing Outlook as Hotmail is currently owned by Microsoft and you'll have to access your Hotmail account through the Outlook app. So simply download the Outlook app, and once it's downloaded, open it. Now once you've opened Outlook, you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to tap on the option Add Account. After that, it'll try searching for your account. So if this is your account, you can tap on Continue, but if this is not your account, simply tap on Skip this account. And then you'll have to enter your email address over here. So simply enter your Yahoo email. So simply enter your Hotmail. So simply enter your Hotmail's email address. Now once you've entered your email, tap on Continue. Now you'll have to enter your Hotmail account's password, but in case you don't remember your password, what you can do is tap on the option Forgot Password. Now it'll take you to this page where you'll have to verify your identity on the web, and if you follow all the steps provided to you, you'll be able to reset your password. But for now, we'll simply enter our password. And now it'll ask you whether you want to add another account or not. So let's simply tap on Maybe Later. Now tap on Next, Accept, and then tap on Continue to Outlook. And there you have it. You have successfully logged in to your Hotmail account on your mobile device. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.